Welcome back, guys. And this video was suggested by one of our viewers, and we're going to try and do Waypoint Zoom. Okay, so let's get started. So you have your drone where you want it to be. We're going to set it as the waypoint 1. You click on that little scrolly thingy. It looks like a waypoint, and we're going to add a waypoint. Okay, that's our first waypoint, and then we select the waypoint. And on the first waypoint, we're not going to select zoom. We're going to select, see, camera mode. None. We're going to click start recording. Okay, and then we're going to go back and go back again to our waypoints. Okay, so we have one waypoint. Okay, now we're going to bring the drone back a little bit to its second waypoint. Let me just get back to map view. I like flying in map view, but everyone has their own preference on how they like to fly. But for me, it's that. Okay, we're just going to go back a little bit. Strong wind notification, probably because I'm flying fast. And right about there, okay, I'm going to add a waypoint. All right, and now I'm going to click on the second waypoint and then scroll a little bit. See where it says Zoom Manual? Okay, so then you go down to the bottom where it says Manual, and you click Manual ×3, because that's as much as you can zoom. Okay, so we're going to do zoom, I guess, to the max, right? And then go back. And then the third waypoint, we'll have it come back to us right about probably above me, so I can get ready to land it. Because remember, you have about 30 seconds or less when setting your waypoint to take full control of the drone. So I'm going to bring it right about there above me. Third waypoint, strong wind notification. We're going to click on camera action, which is none. We can click not start recording, but stop recording. Okay, the heading is fine, no need to change that. And then when we select hover, as you can see, hover, the max is for 30 seconds. That gives you just enough time to take control and do whatever it is that you need to do. Okay, so now we're going to go back. We're going to click next, and hopefully, if all goes according to plan, it should replay everything. Okay, and we'll see it in real time. Now we're going to click go. Let's see, strong wind, which is fine. Just got to keep an eye on the drone. Just watching it. It's getting its bearings. Getting into position 1. Okay. So it reset the gimbal. It started recording. Now it's flying backwards, which is great. Okay. And it's just going back. It's going to go back to the first waypoint. Now remember, I have the speed set to really slow. It's going 4 or 5 miles an hour. So this will take a little bit of time. You could set the speed. So that's the only thing I didn't do in this video. But that's fine. We'll just watch it, enjoy the show. And it should reach the second waypoint any second. In about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just about getting there. Yep. And it should do, there you go. It zoomed in 3 times. That's not so bad for a 3-time zoom. I wonder why it only does 3 times and not 7 times. And now the drone stopped recording, and it should fly back to its other waypoint. But did I set the third waypoint? I set 1. No, I only set 2 waypoints. Okay, so now it's hovering. So now I'm going to stop it and bring it back. So I thought I had set the third waypoint, but you could set the third waypoint to come back to where the starting point is. I think I just forgot to. Let me just go back and see where these waypoints is. I thought there were 3 in there. So we're done with that. I'm going to exit out. Just scroll down. There were 3 waypoints. Interesting. So the third waypoint was actually set back to where the second waypoint was, where it should have been back home, which was the first waypoint. All right, so that answers that question. But anyway, I hope this video helps you and you're better able to do Waypoint Zoom with your Mavic 3. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you all next time.